Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss current affairs on February 2021. So let's start part 2. Which state has announced to construct COVID-19 Warrior Memorial for COVID-19 Warriors? Answer: Odisha. Who is the Prime Minister of Italy right now? Answer: Mario Draghi. Who has inaugurated India's first CNG tractor? Answer: Nitin Gadkari. Who is the author of book titled Unfinished, a Memoir? Answer: Priyanka Chopra Jonas. Who has been appointed as the Managing Director and CEO of Tata Motors? Answer: Mark Listusela. The Mandu festival has been celebrated in which state of India? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. The ISRO has opened its UR Rao Satellite Center in which city? Answer: Bangalore. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has laid the foundation stone of the Grand Anicut Canal System in which state? Answer: Tamil Nadu. The Lok Sabha has passed which state reorganization amendment bill? Answer: Jammu and Kashmir. Which battle tank has been handed over by the Prime Minister to the Indian Army? Answer: Arjun Mk-1A. Which country's astronomers have detected huge optical flare in the black hole BL Lacerti? Answer: India. Which organization has developed the report Traffic Crash Injuries and Disabilities, the Burden on Indian Society? Answer: World Bank. Which India's homegrown app has tied up with ISRO to build an alternative to Google Maps? Answer: Map by India. The Tesla has announced the opening of first manufacturing unit in which city of India? Answer: Bangalore. The mobile application Snakepedia has been launched in which city? Answer: Kerala. Which city's police has received the Best Marching Contingent Trophy 2021? Answer: Delhi. Which organization has planned to launch the World Solar Bank? Answer: International Solar Alliance. Who has received the Asia Environmental Enforcement Award 2020 from UNEP? Answer: Wildlife Crime Control Bureau. As per Oxford Economics, what is the projected GDP of India for the calendar year 2021? Answer: 10.2%. Hyderabad's blind Jyotsna Phaneja has become the youngest woman to do a PhD at which age? Answer: 25 years. Which brand has been roped in as the title sponsor of the Indian Premier League for 2021 edition? Answer: Vivo. Who has been honored with Scotch Chief Minister of the Year Award? Answer: Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. The robocar named Tiger X1 is an ultimate mobility vehicle launched by which company? Answer: Hyundai Motors. Who has won the Century Lifetime Service Award 2020? Answer: Theodore Bhaskaran. Who has become the second player in the world to win 300 Grand Slam? Answer: Novak Djokovic. India's largest hockey stadium will be named after which freedom fighter? Answer: Birsa Munda. What is the theme of World Thinking Day 2021? Answer: Peace building. Who has launched the intensified mission Indradhanush 3.0? Answer: the Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan. Who has won the Best Actor award at the Dadasaheb Phalke International Film Festival 2021? Answer: Akshay Kumar. RBI has brought which bank under its regulatory purview? Answer: State Bank of Sikkim. Who has become the youngest woman to row solo across an ocean? Answer: Jasmine Harrison. Which Punjabi singer rapper has been roped by RBI for its public awareness campaign? Answer: Virus. Which film has won the Best Film Award at Dadasaheb Phalke International Film Festival 2021? Answer: Tanaji, the Unsung Warrior. Which web series has won the Best Web Series Award at Dadasaheb Phalke International Film Festival 2021? Answer: Scam 1992. Who has become the brand ambassador of an academy? Answer: Sachin Tendulkar. The world's largest cricket stadium has been inaugurated in which city of India? Answer: Ahmedabad. The UTS on mobile app is owned by which entity? Answer: Indian Railways. India's first undersea tunnel will be built in which city? Answer: Mumbai. What is the length of world's largest bridge, Chenab, which would be completed by 2021? Answer: 1.315 kilometers. The World NGO Day has been observed on which date? Answer: 27th February. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.